I'm selling all the professional Kompa Sounds, guys, for 50 bucks. 50 bucks, guys. Professional Kompa Sounds. If you have a sound module, if you have a Roland sound module, I will sell you the memory card with all the Nicholson Prudhomme solo sounds, all the professional harmonique, bad jazz solo sounds that you hear. I'm about to give you an example of them right now, guys. $50, guys, on a memory card, guys. That's one. Tons of solo sounds on this memory card, guys. Tons of solo sounds on this module. Only 50 bucks, guys. This is one of my favorites. One of my favorite solos. This is called Solo Shell Bed on a memory card. One of my favorite solos. Listen to this, guys. That's called I'm Back. I love that solo. Watch this, guys. Listen, all the Kompa sounds you will ever need, I will sell it to you on the memory card, guys, for 50 bucks. Whether you're gigging for a church, you're gigging for a jazz, it has all the solo sounds you will ever need. All the Chake sounds, the huff stuff, E-pianos. It has all the solos that professionals use like Nicholson Prudhomme. 50 bucks, guys. Send me an email or comment below. I will be able to hook you up with that, guys.